everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel, AGTV for Life. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the recently released My Life as Kitchen Appliance set that came out by Walmart for 18-inch dolls, so let's jump into it. I am so happy to show you this amazing set from Walmart. Let's get started. I'm going to turn it this way because it's better for the camera to get the whole picture of it. And I'm going to rip it out. I'll probably take the volume down when I'm doing that so you don't hear all this noise. So this is a 57-piece set. It says here that the blade really spins, which is sort of cool, and the coffee pot has a realistic sound, if you could see that right there. So it says requires some batteries, and we'll deal with that later, but first let's get it open. Oh, here's a little picture on the back of the box. How cute is this? This is adorable. I can't wait. I can't wait. Let's get it open. So we are ready. Woohoo! So let's take a look at what's here in the top. We'll move that to the side. So we'll take these, what appears to be some dishes and silverware out. I'll put my handy dandy razor. Nice simple plates. Always use those, and some spoons. Oh, these are cute. They have a little detail, if you could see the detail here. It's nice. So you get a fork and a spoon. No butter knife. Very cute. So we'll put that right here. And we have 2 stacks of pancakes with, I guess the brown stuff is syrup and butter. So we'll add that to our plate. Very cute. All one piece. Can always use some pancakes. And some strawberries. Doesn't come out of the bowl. That's fine. Let's cut this tape. And we have blueberries stuck in the bowl. Thank you. Okay, so we took everything out of the top here, so we'll get rid of that. Now, let's move back to the box and push these things to the side so we can delve into all of this stuff here. Okay, a cardboard container of milk, pretty cute. A couple of bowls, nice and simple white bowls, I like them. 2 cups, or glasses if we want to call it, plastic. Look like communion cups. I use communion cups for crafting, and that's what these look like. They're a little thicker, but they're still cute. And oh, this is adorable. Look at this little pan. I love it. And the lid, how cute. Fits well. And look at this, some peas and carrots. Let's pretend we're making peas and carrots. And we put, so much for that, put the lid on. Very cute. The next thing we have is it's not a skillet, but it's a deep frying pan, I guess, or saute pan. And here we have some carrots that came in it. So I guess we'll cook the carrots here. Or maybe we'll put some more stuff in there. So let's put that there and grab our little drumstick. And we'll stick it in with the carrots. And we have a piece of steak. This is pretty cute. Could you see that? Look at the detail. The bone and the meat. That's cute. I guess maybe we could stick that in there so we'll have a few items. The top's not going to fit, but anyway. We'll leave it like that for right now. So that's pretty cute. Small saucepan, larger pan, and now we have our frying pan or skillet. So let's take this tape off. The eggs are very cute. Look at that. They're plastic. They're a little soft, so you can, not so hard. I like that with the yolk. Over easy, coming up. And we have another one and some bacon. Let's get rid of the tape. It's a nice pan. I like this. Put that in there. Look at our other egg and bacon. Put that in there. Bacon. I don't cook my eggs and bacon together, but that's fine. This is dal cooking, so we're going to include it all together. It's cute. Then we have some coffee or hot chocolate, whatever you want it to be. 2 of them. Great. Now we have a utensil holder. I like that. Ladle. Very cute. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be in like that. And a spatula. It's plastic and it's not hard plastic. You can bend it. Not that you really need to, but I like the fact that it's soft. And we have these tongs. I don't particularly care to have this handle on here. I usually cut them off on the My Life items. So I'll do that right now. There we go. Okay, now I don't have that big piece of plastic on there. So it's more realistic. I like it like that. So I'll put it in that way. Could always do it like that. So I'm going to put it in like that. And then we have a knife. Put that in like that. It's pretty cute. Once I get everything unboxed, I'm going to take it and put it all in my kitchen to show you how it looks in the kitchen. So I just want to move things along here so this isn't a long video. The next thing we have is this super duper cute mitt. I like this. Little pop of color. Purple's cute. We have this here, so if we want to hang it up, it's elastic. Adorable. The next thing we're going to take out is this, looks like a cooking, like a hot plate of some sort. I don't have one, but I've seen them. And we have some items, I guess, or maybe a warming plate is probably more appropriate. If you know what it's called, can you just leave a comment below? Because this is going to bug me now. Oh my goodness, I love this. So here we have some mac and cheese. Very cute. We have some broccoli. Florets, I would say. And these little French fries. Now these are so cute. Look at that. They're all single. And this, oh, mozzarella sticks. You could see why they have the white here. That's cute. Well, what we could do with this too is, let's assume we don't want to make peas and carrots. and we put the broccoli in. The small pan works perfectly. We'll just move those to the side. We'll put them in here for now. Cute. Okay, now we're getting to the real interesting stuff. So many things to open. Let's look at the toaster. So we have some bread. This is hard plastic, very hard plastic, but it's still realistic. I think it's really cute. You can see that. It's a good size. Do I have a doll around? Let me see if I have somebody and I could show you next to the doll. Hold on. Well, I have a naked Leah right here, but don't worry about that. Let me just show you the bread in her hand. That's perfect size. So the bread's good. And the toaster has this plastic in here, so I'm going to take that out. And I assume if we put the bread in, we can move it up and down. Oh, look at that. These here in the front, the buttons, or it's like simulated buttons, they don't work. There's nothing to press, no noise. This on the side is the only button, or I should say lever, that works. You can put it down, like that, halfway. And then if you move it, it comes up to the top. And your toast is done. Very cute. Move you to the side. Now this is adorable. Look at this coffee pot. Look, it has that pretend coffee in there. You see it? And look at the sides. It looks like it's filled. Oh my goodness, this is too cute. I'm loving this. Oh, this definitely beats the Our Generation pink coffee pot that I have. I'm definitely replacing it with this. Now let's see. So we have 5 little buttons here, but only the middle one works. So let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How cute. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to put everything in the doll kitchen. Now we have an air fryer. This is adorable. Does this bottom piece come out? I don't know. Hopefully I don't break it. I don't know. If you're watching this, let me know if you have it and whether or not the bottom piece comes out and you just don't know how to operate it. But based on what I just did, it looks like it's fixed. And there's no sound or anything. There's no batteries. It's just a piece of plastic, but it's still super cute. I love it. Our last item here is our blender. Look at this blender. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. And if you press the button, look at the inside move. Oh my goodness. Let's play with it. Let's put our fruit in there. Let's make a banana and strawberry shake. Oops. Banana. Oh, this is so cute. It's garbage. Okay, put our top on, and now we're in business. Look, oh, gotta be careful because if your stuff gets caught underneath, it doesn't really move. But look at that. This is adorable. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, well, that's everything. We have our coffee pot, mixer, air fryer, and we have our coffee cups, utensils, bowls, glasses, pancakes with a plate, fork, and spoon. We have a pan with some food, some fruit, milk, and oven mitt. We'll stick you there. this sheet pan, warming pan, whatever it is, let me know. It looks like a sheet pan to me, but it could be something else. We have a little sauce pot. We have our toaster, which is too cute, and our skillet with our eggs and bacon. So this is everything that's in the box, and the box said we have 57 pieces. I didn't count them. I'm assuming it's correct. Anyway, thank you for watching this part of the video. Now I'm going to put everything inside of the dollhouse and show you what it looks like in there. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about it, what you like best. My favorite item is the air fryer, even though it doesn't have any special sounds or anything, but I love it. So let me know what you like most about it. If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. If you haven't, I hope you do, and you press that notification bell so that you get an alert when we post new content. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day, and I hope you come back again soon.